Bermuda Triangle, does it exist or do not exist? Some people think that it doesn't exist due to stories they have heard, and others think that it's about all the stories that they used to be told. But we are going to know the truth. Subscribe to this channel before proceeding so that you can get more information about what you mean to be rise and they are true. Bermuda Triangle, located at the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. It's generally bounded by the Atlantic coast of Florida, especially Miami. The first person to report the anomalous occurrence area, now known as Bermuda Triangle, is Christopher Columbus on 11 October 1492. Many people doesn't know about this miracle because it seems to be impossible to travel around it. Bermuda Triangle is about 500,000 to 1.5 million square miles. It is often called Devil's Triangle. Over 15 ships and 20 planes are reported to have disappeared in the area over the past few centuries. Some researchers have suggested the presence of methane gas hydrates beneath the ocean floor. According to this theory, sudden release of methane gas could reduce the density of water, causing ships to sink rapidly. Similarly, the gas could affect aircraft engines if released into the atmosphere. While this theory is scientifically possible, there is limited direct evidence linking it to specific incidents in the Bermuda Triangle. The media has played a major role in shaping the myth of the Bermuda Triangle. Books, documentaries, and movies have often exaggerated or misrepresented events, focusing on mystery rather than factual analysis. Sensational storytelling has helped to maintain public interest, turning the Bermuda Triangle into a cultural phenomenon rather than just a geographical location. Was it true? Was it a science? Or is there truly something hidden beneath those waters? Some secrets were never meant to be found. If you have liked this video, you can comment on it and like this video and even share it to your friends so that they can know something that they used not to know. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.